In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentages in Google Sheets. It's a fundamental skill that can save you time and enhance your productivity, whether you're dealing with business data, personal finance, or academic projects. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. If you don't have one already, you can easily create a new one by going to Google Drive and selecting the New option, then Google Sheets. Once you have your sheet ready, the next step is to focus on the data range you'll be working with. In our scenario, we're going to select the cell range from C2 to C13. This will be where the percentage calculations will appear. By clicking and dragging your cursor across these cells, you'll highlight them, preparing them for the formatting steps to follow. With your cells selected, head over to the top menu bar and click on Format. You'll find this option towards the middle of the screen. Once you're there, navigate down to Number. This menu allows you to change the format of the data in your selected cells, which is critical for percentage calculations. After clicking Number, you'll see an array of options. Select Percent from the presented choices. Doing this changes the formatting of the data within your selected cells to percentages, making it straightforward for Google Sheets to interpret the values you input as percentages. Now, locate cell C2 and click on it. Here, you'll enter the formula necessary to calculate the percentage of each item relative to a total. In cell C2, type this formula, =B2 divided by B14. This formula divides the content of cell B2 by the total in cell B14, calculating the percentage that the value in B2 contributes to the overall total. Once you've typed that formula in, press the Enter key. Google Sheets will process your formula, and you'll see a result in percentage form in cell C2, thanks to the formatting we did earlier. To streamline your workflow and apply this percentage formula to the rest of your dataset, we'll use the autofill feature. Click on cell C2 and notice the small blue square in the cell's bottom right corner. Drag this square down through column C to cell C13. This action will automatically populate the other cells with the corresponding percentage formula, adjusting the cell references relative to each row. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated percentages across a range of data in Google Sheets. By mastering these steps, you can easily handle percentage calculations for any dataset you encounter. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.